Hey YouTube, we are at Rausch Creek. We are tail gunning the monthly guided ride. It's a blue guided ride. We are on trail 23, and this is hosted by Off-Road Consulting, and we are in our Jeep Gladiator. So you're going to get a chance to see some blues today, and also a little bit of a black that was a little optional thing that we did. Hey, I had to hop out to do a little spotting. So anyway, typically if you get stuck like that, you can just back up like typically 4 or 5 feet, and then turn the steering wheel either left or right, and then go forward. And in a lot of cases, just moving the Jeep over like a foot will get you past the spot. And we will see if that's the case here too. Also, yeah, it is. The Jeep club that you see on the back of that looks like Nova Jeepers, and I actually was a member of that club a long time ago. That was a club that we did the Gore, Virginia run on. So there is some footage of us going out with those guys.
Come on. Come on, walk. Hi. Come on. Good. Oops. Hi. There's Jeeps coming up behind us, by the way.
It's not. There's plenty of room over there.
Come on. What are you doing?
One more on each passenger. Yeah, you might want to straighten it out.
We need to get back to our Jeep. Come on, walk. Hey tube, so that was Beaver Creek that I just ran through. It is a short little black that shortcuts 23, which is a blue that we're on. I did not take the black loop. Obviously the idea with this truck is to do blues. However, it was kind of interesting. That little black loop was, in my mind, it was like a 6 or a 7. It was hardly black. It was definitely harder than the blues that we're on. But in comparison, like that is like kind of like a stereotypical AOA blue. but they have marked black. So it's like a 6-7 probably rating, where 7-8-9 is black and 4-5-6 is blue. So anyway, we'll see you guys around. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Hey YouTube, so we are finishing up 23. We just went out and watched some people do in our group Beaver Creek. It's a black little loop that cuts through 23, and just from looking at it, the Beaver Creek trail kind of reminds me of Upper Anthracite. It feels kind of similar to like upper blue, maybe a lightweight black. It's marked black on the trail. It is definitely more of a trail than this trail that we're on right now for difficulty. But this trail by no means is like the hardest blue that I've ever been on. Like compared to the trail that you saw like Kyle's trail, or pretty much almost any trail at AOAA that's blue, other than the washouts, the beginning is probably more difficult than this trail that we're on here. So this trail here is probably a good 5. There are some like 5 obstacles on it. The majority of the trail is probably a 4, but there are like some 5 spots on it, definitely. I don't think that this trail is a 6, honestly. So you just heard we are going to turn on to 11 green, and then we're going to go break for lunch. This trail has, believe it or not, almost every single type of obstacle that I can think of. It has some articulation. It doesn't really have a hill climb. So I guess maybe not every single type, because it doesn't have a hill climb, but it does have like water, and it has like some big rocks that you have to go through, and there's straddling, and all the main principles that you learn, other than things that involving steep hills, you need on this trail. So it's a pretty strong blue, I think, because it takes a little bit of knowledge to kind of get through these obstacles, but it's not like the size of the obstacles is what I'm saying, is not like too terribly ridiculous. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys around.